Get a grip. Understanding this popular English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of a very common phrase, get a grip. This phrase can be a bit tricky, especially for English language learners, so let's break it down together. Get a grip is an idiomatic expression used to tell someone to control their emotions or to calm down when they are overly excited, anxious, or upset. It's like saying, stay in control of yourself. The word grip in this context refers metaphorically to holding on to something tightly, which symbolizes maintaining control over one's emotions or reactions. This phrase is often used in casual and informal settings. It's important to know that it can sometimes be seen as harsh or insensitive, especially if someone is going through a tough time. However, it can also be used in a more light-hearted or joking manner among close friends. For example, if a friend is panicking over a small mistake, you might say, "Hey, get a grip." It's not the end of the world. In a more serious context, if someone is reacting excessively to a situation, you might gently tell them, "You need to get a grip and think this through calmly." Let's look at some examples to see how get a grip can be used in various situations. 1. In a personal crisis, I was losing my cool, but then I told myself to get a grip and deal with the situation. 2. In sports commentary, the team needs to get a grip on their strategy if they want to win this game. 3. In movies or TV shows, characters often use this phrase during tense or dramatic moments. If you find get a grip a bit too direct, there are softer alternatives. Calm down, take it easy, relax, keep your cool. These phrases convey a similar message but are often perceived as more gentle or supportive. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the phrase, get a grip, and how to use it appropriately in different contexts. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about understanding the emotions and situations in which these words are used. Happy learning, and we hope to see you in our next video.